You know, when we talk about AI in the business world, the entire conversation has just completely flipped on its head. It's not about what if anymore, it's all about what now. That future we've all been talking about, it isn't somewhere down the road.
It's here, and it's actively changing how businesses get work done, right at this very moment.
All that theoretical stuff, it's real now. AI tools are being rolled out as we speak, and they're creating real, measurable results and unlocking brand new levels of performance.
And sitting right at the heart of this transformation is Gemini Enterprise. This is a platform designed from the ground up to put the power of Google's best AI into the hands of every single employee for every workflow they have.
And listen, we're talking about so much more than just making things a little bit faster. This is about brand new ways of working. Things like automating really complex multi-step processes, generating high-quality code to speed up development, and pulling out these deep, incredible insights from your data that you just couldn't see before.
The potential here is absolutely staggering. We're talking about a massive leap in productivity and just supercharging your company's ability to innovate. So you're probably wondering, how does it all actually work?
Well, it all kicks off with this idea Google calls the Agentic Enterprise. The best way to think about this is like a new front door, a central hub for everything AI inside your company.
Okay, so the word you need to remember here is agents. And let's be really clear, we are thinking way beyond a simple chatbot. An AI agent doesn't just answer a question. No, it performs complex tasks, it automates entire workflows, and it can actually reason over your data to get stuff done. Gemini Enterprise is that secure playground where your teams can find them, build them, and run them.
This visual really nails the core concept. Gemini Enterprise is that one central place, that one interface that channels all your different data sources and apps through one smart, secure layer.
So let's break down what this means for you, day to day. With unified access, you can forget about the chaos of juggling a dozen different AI tools. Build and deploy lets everybody, and I mean everyone, not just your developers, create the custom agents they need. Centralized control gives your IT team the peace of mind they need with rock-solid security and governance. And, maybe most important of all, business context connects the AI to your company's unique data, which makes it incredibly powerful and truly yours.
All right, so now that we have this agentic enterprise idea in our heads, let's get practical. Let's see how this technology actually changes the game for different teams across your company.
Let's start with marketing. For them, this changes everything from being reactive to being predictive. I mean, just imagine an agent that can instantly analyze global market trends, spit out personalized campaign content that is perfectly on brand, and then automate all the performance reporting across every single channel. Suddenly, you have one single clear view of your ROI.
Now, for your sales teams, this is about becoming a true engine for strategic growth. Think about it. AI agents can dig up deep insights about an account for super personalized outreach. They can automate all that tedious deal forecasting and basically free up your sellers to do what they do best, build relationships and close deals.
When we turn to engineering, just think of this as a massive accelerator for everything they do. Your developers can now generate high-quality code, get help modernizing old systems, and automate testing, all right inside their existing workflow. This is a brilliant way to reduce technical debt and free up your best engineers for the really cool, innovative stuff.
And in human resources, the whole focus shifts to completely reimagining the employee experience from day one.
An agent can make onboarding new hires a breeze, analyze employee sentiment to help with workforce planning, and provide instant 24/7 support for common HR questions. This frees up your HR partners to focus on the much bigger, more strategic work.
And finally, for finance, the whole goal is to elevate them into a true strategic partner for the entire business. This means automating critical things like global consolidation and budget modeling, making governance even stronger with AI-powered checks, and delivering insights that help you spot risks and find new opportunities for growth.
Okay, so seeing all this potential across every team is incredibly exciting, right? But it also brings up a pretty big question. This is a huge transformation, and you definitely don't want to go it alone.
So, where do you even begin? What's the very first step to take this amazing technology and start using it smartly and safely inside your own organization?
This is exactly why having the right partner is, well, everything. SoftChoice has such deep expertise in the cloud and digital workplace tools and software management. They are perfectly set up to help you get the absolute most out of a tool like Gemini Enterprise. And they've laid out a really clear path for this whole journey. It all starts with a readiness assessment to figure out exactly where you are today. From there, they give you expert guidance to implement and integrate these tools without any headaches. And finally, they help you innovate, making sure you're getting the biggest possible return on your investment.
So here's the bottom line. AI isn't just another piece of software, it is a fundamental change in how we all work. The question for every company is no longer if you're going to adopt it, but how quickly and how well you can build your own agentic enterprise. The tools are here, the blueprint is clear. The only question left is, what will you build first?